In the comments of this video, I was asked how I group mouths. In this short tutorial you will learn how to animate a mouth, group mouth layers, put the mouth on a character to make him talk. I selected my mouths and placed them on a page. I click on this 3 dots and select Show Timing. Now I reduce the duration of each layer and make them follow one after the other. Then I group the mouths. On the page, I select them all. Then click on Group. I can also group layers by pressing Command on my Mac. I then hold down and select all the layers. Then I click on Group. Now I'm going to add the animated mouth to my character. But first, I need to cover the character's static mouth. In Element, I choose a shape and add it to the page where my character is. I change the color of the shape to match the character's color. Then I copy and paste the animated mouth onto my character. To copy and paste the mouth, I click on the mouth, press Command C, go to the page where I want to paste the mouth, and press Command V.
I hope this tutorial was useful.